Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Quarter Horse Custom. It's day 0 of Hot Rod Drag Week. We are here, off the trailer, car's ready to go. It's in track mode, got a new transmission seal in. All we're doing is waiting for test and tune to open up. We'll go up, make it pass, make sure it doesn't burn out and everything. And if it does that, we're good. If it doesn't do that, we're doing a clutch. Hopefully my old clutch will be good enough to run again. We don't know yet. But everything's here. Wife's doing a grocery run. The pit's already set up. Car's ready to go. We got to get ready to go do tech. And we'll see you there. Fun.
We're in tech line. Wrong tech line.
For what?
Hot Rod Drag Week.
What day?
Day 0 right now.
Are we ready?
No.
What?
Yes.
You sure?
I think so.
Okay. We do have Project Apocalypse up here in the line. They're going to be coming around and they're going to check for your headlights, turn signals, horn, trailer lights. And then they're going to come around and check your safety equipment. And then they're going to give us new numbers. So we actually got to start peeling these ones off. Oh, this looks like it's going to be fun. That way we're good to go. I mistakenly ran the slicks and they are still a wee bit on the tight side. So, got everything filled out?
I think so. I hope so.
Alrighty, we got our shirt, we got our helmet, tech information, registration, license, all that jazz. Cool.
Good morning. Our diner is open for breakfast. There's coffee, there's breakfast sandwiches. So head on over to the diner and get you a treat so you are fueled up for the day.
The best part about this whole thing is I'm seeing all my old friends we ran into on Sick Week and Drag Week last year, checking with them, and I've already ran into quite a few of them. I know the AMC Eagle's here, and a little yellow car that we followed on Drag Week the year before. So I'm super excited to reconnect with all those people and meet more. Alright, I'm going ahead and changing the spark plugs. These are the NGKs they put in during Sick Week. They look okay. I can definitely tell you that thing's running fat. Very, very fat. I'm going to throw some auto lights in for day 1. I got some NGKs in the box we'll throw in after we see what the motor's doing with these. Get a perspective on what we're doing right now, not overall. Kevin made it in, and he brought his dad, and his buddy's also trying to get in the wait list, but looks like they're getting ready to head up to tech. Alrighty, Drag Week, day 0, test soon pass. Will she do a burnout, or we're going to burn out the clutch? Don't know. About to find out. Wish me luck, gonna need it. Or we're doing a clutch change, and if I got cherry picker. Hopefully my wife got some video. Apparently I hit the wrong button. Apparently I hit stop and not record. So, I don't know if she blew the clutch out. We ran a 12.144 at 117, 1.7 60 foot. Not great, not horrible. I don't know if we spun the fuck out of the clutch. It kind of felt like we did, but I don't know. I gotta go ask some people. Let's go find out if she can handle a burnout or not. I don't know. But she can go down the track. So if I can't do burnouts, I can't do burnouts. Well, everything's pretty much settling down. You got a couple racers staying the night. Most of them are going to hotels. We're camping, obviously. We're going to sleep in the bed tent one more time. Car did pretty good today. I'm kind of excited. We're going to shoot for 11s all week. Hopefully, or close to it, without blowing that thing up. I'm going to go see if I can check in with some of the other people that I want to check in with this week, if they're still here. Whoa, how's it going, you guys?
What's that?
How's it going?
It's going pretty good.
Looks like
Other than waiting 6 hours for a transmission delivery, we're doing pretty good.
at least you did it on day 0, though.
Well, yeah, if it was any other day, we'd have been going home. Unless we broke down where we're only 20 miles from home.
Actually looks pretty nice under here.
Thank you.
Actually, when it was really hot today,
It was
it
nice.
was nice under here.
So what are your guys' goals for the week? Just get through, or you gotta...
Get through and go 11s every day.
That's pretty much my plan. So is the same trains you're putting in, or is this one upgraded more than the last one?
Different gear ratio. That's the only difference. This one's a 170 and the other one was a 180. So it'll slow it down a little bit in a 60, if you even see it, you know.
Right.
But technically, it's actually a heavier duty gear set than what was in it.
And what kind of motor are you guys running in this?
331 small block Chevy
Nice.
with an old Edelbrock Pro Ram tunnel ram.
That's out of a 305, right? 305 stroked?
No. That's a 327 30 over.
Oh, okay. I'm not too familiar with my small block Chevy strokers.
This is old school Chevy motor.
Okay, cool.
The old truck's old school if you look at it.
Yeah, I noticed you had
Got the old super coil on it and all stuff
Yeah.
like that.
I noticed you had a newer style 90s bed, which really looks good. You almost don't,
if you look, see how the body line lines
yeah,
up.
you almost don't notice it unless you know your OBS Chevys.
Yeah, and I seen a truck at Maple Grove, a Super Chevy, like back in 95, 96. And a guy did one of these, was painted Hugger orange and had the new bed on it, and it looked sharp. But he Frenched in the original taillights.
Oh, wow.
He filled that in and then cut in the original taillights. It looked really good. And like, that's above my expert level.
Yeah.
What size does the nuts go on this converter?
Nuts go on the transmission side.
Transmission side?
And I think there's a washer on both sides.
Yep.
Well, I hope you guys get this thing thrown together. I look forward to... What class are you running at? C or D? C?
D.
We're
D.
in D run group, street, whatever, the street machine eliminator.
Right on. Well, I hope you guys hit your goals.
It'd be nice if we can get the 1150 trophy that they're giving it.
Oh, yeah?
That's what we're shooting for.
Yeah, that would be
Closest,
pretty cool.
the closest average to 1150 gets it. So it'll be cool.
Good luck. I wish the best of luck to you guys. I hope to at least be able to check in. It's going to be
Hope we
hard.
get to see you every day.
Yeah, that's the goal. That's
Whether
the main
we
goal.
make it or you make it.
Well, I'll let you guys get back to it. Getting this thing up in there. Looks like you guys got it pretty well
Not
buttoned
done.
up.
Oh, we're getting there. And the training lines are on. I got to hook the shifter up.
Gotta put fluid in it, gotta bump the motor over so I can put the converter together.
Right on. Well, wish the best of luck to you guys. Hope to see you guys tomorrow.
All right. Oh, you'll definitely see us tomorrow. Don't know if you...
And this is their truck. It says, look for the mailbox. Yep. Found it. I think that's probably going to be all we have for you for day 0. Not really too eventful. Had a little bit of racing. Made it pass. Tomorrow's where the fun starts. We got the longest drive. And what's really cool is all these trailers will be gone tomorrow. So it'll all be cars and mini trailers. But no actual trailers. See you guys tomorrow.